Hey guys, so good morning, and today we are heading towards Abar Boichak, which is a very famous restaurant. So I'm here in Rabindra Sarovar. All the exits of the metro stations are not open. So if you come to Rabindra Sarovar via metro, what you will have to do, you'll have to come out of the metro through gate number 5. Gate number 5 is just the opposite of the way. Let me pan the camera and show you. So as you can see, that's gate number 5. Okay. You'll have to cross the road and then you will have to come to the auto stand. The auto stand starts right from here. Okay. Now let's stand. It's very sunny, I know, yes, it's very sunny, and I barely can see at the camera. Yes, you can see it's quite empty as it is Saturday morning. So let me show you where you can get the auto for South City. We will go to South City via auto, and then from there we will go to the Abar Boichak Cafe. So you can see there is a place called Ujjivan. Okay, and from here you will get the auto to South City. This is the way I know to South City. If you know the other ways, you can also comment and you can tell if you know the other ways to South City. So I sat in the auto and now I'm heading towards South City. See you back there. We just got down from the auto and now we are standing right opposite of South City. The camera and show you. See, the South City Mall is just the opposite of where we are standing right now. We are standing near this shop, Leatherland. Okay, it sells all the mostly leather products, and beside that there is an alley. As you can see, there is a narrow road, and we will take this narrow road to reach our destination. So we are heading towards our destination right now. We don't actually know the actual way to our destination, to the Abar Boichak Cafe, but we will have to take the help of Google Maps, obviously, and the local Google Maps. As you know, the pan dukan walas and the other shopkeepers, they will be able to help us, I think so.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
So as you can see, we'll have to bend as the road is bending. We'll have to go as the roads are bending. And yes, as I already said, the pan dukan walas are more helpful than the actual Google Map. I really don't know where it is located, but fingers crossed. I think we'll be able to find it properly. We won't have to do detour, you know, going back, coming back and going again. देखते हैं क्या होता है. जैसे रास्ता जाते हैं वैसे ही आप लोगों को आना पड़ेगा. Okay, there is no right side and left side, but at the point of time you will come at a place like this. Okay, you can mark this location. This is the location. It's like you. There are 4 ways going this side. We came from this side. Okay, we came from this side, and there is a way that way, this way, and you will have to take the right side, right hand side. So the roads are actually very quiet. There are the people, I can't see here much people, like it's not crowded like that of North Kolkata. Okay, and the roads are very shady. You can see here the old buildings also and the new buildings also. As you can see behind me, देयर आर ओल्ड बिल्डिंग्स, बहुत पुराने बिल्डिंग्स भी है, नए बिल्डिंग्स भी है, ऑफिस भी है बहुत सारे, जैसे बैंक्स एंड इंडियन का ऑफिस, ऐसे बहुत सारे ऑफिस भी है यहाँ पे, तो अच्छा जगह है. सो वी हैव फाइनली रीच्ड आवर डेस्टिनेशन. एज यू कैन सी, अगर आप लोग अच्छे से नोटिस नहीं करें तो आप लोग को दिखाई नहीं देगा उतने अच्छे से. सो you can see that this is a cafe. It's a very beautiful quiet cafe in a quiet place. Okay, ये जगह बहुत शांत है, और उस शांत जगह में एक शांत छोटी सी बहुत प्यारी सी कैफ़े है. तो हम लोग अब जाएंगे इस कैफ़े में. लेट्स गो. At the cafe now. We are at the cafe Abar Boitok. As you can see, environment of the cafe, it's quite peaceful and very archaic. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful cafe to spend time with your loved ones, with your dear ones. And right now I'm sitting here. I'm feeling really hot now, as we have come through a long way, and thank God I got rid of the mask at last. And the AC is not on, right?
No, it's not on.
It's not on. Maybe that's why we are feeling suffocated. And where we are sitting, there are no people actually. We both of us are sitting. Now both of us meant that I have a friend. Okay, and as you can see, his mobile phone and tripod. Okay, he is shooting also like me. I don't have a tripod. I mean, I have a tripod, but I forgot to bring it with me today. And he has come fully armed in order to shoot the video like me. So you can follow us on Instagram. The links will be in the description box. We have not ordered the food yet. We will order the food now, and then we will get back to you. So you can see that there are lots of books. There are books on you can see it's Prabandho, as we call it as essay. So you can see that there are lots of books. Okay, see, here is Kobita. Kobita means the books on poems. There are lots of books on poems here. If not lots, then there are many of them. There are CDs also, I think. Yes. Here there are books on Golpo and Upannash. Upannash is actually novels, and most of the books are dedicated to Feluda. And you can sit and you can read newspapers also here. The furnitures are really comfortable, and they are well furnished and very stylish. I have already ordered the food. Now I'm waiting for it as I'm very hungry. I'm going up and I'm just waiting for the food to be served. So food has already arrived and it looks very tasty. Let me show you. It's this, as you can see. Okay, we are really hungry and I just can't wait to have it. And we have ordered the all meat platter. Let me just taste it and see you how it tastes. So we are out of the cafe now. The experience was really good. The environment, the ambience of the restaurant, of the cafe, sorry, I don't know why I'm calling it restaurant over and over again, but the experience, the ambience, the environment of the cafe was really good. As you can see, it's right behind me, and everything was good. The light, yes, the light and the music. The music was very soft over there. There is a washroom which is clean and hygienic. Everything was really good. This cafe, sorry, this cafe, as they told me, it has covered like about 6 or 7 years, and this is located in Salimpur or Jodhpur Park. You can get plenty of food options here. Sandwich hai, coffee hai, burger hai, pasta, pizza. There are lots of options, so you can definitely try this cafe. You can come here easily. It's really easily accessible. This cafe is really good. You should definitely try out this cafe, and I will give it 4.4 out of 5. The only thing which I found really, disadvantage was that it's not so easily, you can't notice it very easily. You can see it's not quite easily noticeable, and otherwise everything is good. The food price is very affordable. You should definitely try this. See you in my next video. Thank you. Love you all.